Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have an unboxing as well as a tutorial. So let's get into it. So inside the package we have a receipt and a deck. That's about it. So this deck is actually a Rider Back Turquoise edition. I've been wanting this colorway for quite a while. Wow, that's a lot of bubble wrap. So yeah, I've been wanting this color for quite a while because I just love the turquoise color. And just a quick that bubble wrap, too good. So yeah, I've been wanting this Rider Back in turquoise for quite a while. So let's open this. Do they have a pull tab over here? They have, thank God. Right, so and come on, right, okay. So here's the deck, and wait, okay, so it's a standard bike deck. I mean, there's nothing too special about it. Everything's standard, and with this you actually get a standard double backer, a pink and turquoise double backer, which is really useful, a joker, and a blank card. Wait, we only get one joker? Where's the second? We don't get two jokers with this? Where's the second joker? Oh damn. So apparently we only get one joker with this and two sets of double backers. I think this double backer is really cool. We can do a lot of color changing tricks with this, like, I don't know. Anyway, so the cards look like nice turquoise color. Yeah, they feel like standard bikes because they are standard bikes. So that was the unboxing part. Let's get into the trick I will be showing you today. Any card at any number. That is the trick I will be teaching you guys today, right? So I go through the cards, and the spectator can touch any card they like. Let's say they touch, I don't know, this one, right? So I leave that card in the middle of the deck, right there. Pick a number between 1 and 52. Let's say they pick 14. Okay, so I'll go through the cards like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now if you had picked the 15th card, it would have been the 2 of hearts. If you had picked the 13th card, it would have been the 3 of diamonds. But since you picked the 14th one, it is your card, the 8 of spades. This trick is actually fairly simple. All you need to know for this trick is a method to control the card to the bottom of the deck. I use the spread card in this in the performance, but you can use any one you like. If you don't know how to control a card to the bottom, I will leave a couple of links down below. Go check them out, and I will teach you a quick one here as well. So let's say the selected card is this one, the 5 of spades. Here's what you do: you put the 5 of spades back on top, swing cut, push this card out, and you show them that this is the card, the 5 of spades. But while you bring it back, you insert your pinky over here, holding a pinky break like this, right? So you push the card out, show it to them, and while dragging the card back, you insert your pinky, holding a pinky break, right? So here's what you do after. You take all the cards over here, push it on top while maintaining the pinky break, and then you pick up half the cards from below the break like this, get it on top, and then pick up all the cards below the break and put it on top over here. Now what this has done is, this has controlled your card to the bottom of the deck, right? So now once you've controlled your card to the bottom of the deck, here's what you do. You ask them to pick a random number between 1 and 52. It doesn't matter. For the sake of this tutorial, let's take the number 8. So here's what you do: you take your pinky and pull down on the bottom card, and hold a break. That's all you have to do. Then once you do this, you convert to a thumb break like this, and then you start counting. So you go 1, and then after you finish counting the first card, you do this kind of motion where you take this underneath and then come back out. So 2, you go like this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the 8th card, you take the 8th card, and then while you go underneath, you grab this last card as well, their selected card, and then you bring the entire packet out. So now essentially in this hand, you don't have 8 cards, but you have 9 cards. But of course you treat them as there are 8 cards. Now here's what I do. I tell them that if you had picked the 9th card, it would have been this one, the Jack of Hearts. If you had picked the 7th card, it would have been this one, the 9 of Diamonds. But since you picked the 8th card and then you flip this card over saying it was the 5 of Spades. So we'll go through this again. You have 9 cards in this hand. You tell them if you pick the 9th card, it would have been this one. If you pick the 7th card, you take the top card out and flip the card below it, it would have been the 9 of Diamonds. But since you picked the 8th card, it is this one, the 5 of Spades. So that was the trick. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like this video, and please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to hit 100 subs. So that's about it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.